How do you feel po na, you know, the president has already spoken and he said to the congressman, the house leaders na wag na natin pagtuunan ng pansin to impeachment? How do you feel po? Paano to usad?
Under the Constitution, a citizen can actually file an impeachment with a member of the House of Representatives as an endorser.
And
So, hindi namin tinitingnan yung mga ganyan because ayaw nga namin yan na maging, you know, ma-perceive kami as favoring any of the political protagonists now, diba? Talagang decision po ito ng mga individual na mga nag-file coming from various groups. Ayaw naming kumumpas o sumama sa kung ano man na mga moves nila, ng mga nasa gobyerno ngayon, including the president. We cannot be affected by the desire to really make the vice president accountable, because that is in fact recognized by the Constitution. Kailangan mangibabaw ang batas, mangibabaw ang saligang batas.
Linawin po natin, ang loyalty po ng mga kasama natin, ng mga civil society leaders ay sa taong bayan. Hindi po madidiktahan ang mga progresibong puwersa na gustong i-hold accountable si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Sir, pero are you optimistic?
How hopeful are you, sir, na may number
Considering na
kayo?
supermajority pa rin yung ano?
Sa araw na ito, we are here in the House of Representatives bravely supporting the petition of citizens kasi naniniwala tayo na ito ay responsibilidad ng ating pong institusyon. They have to give this complaint a fair chance and a fair day in court.